In this exercise, we're working with a component that every milling tool needs in one way or another. Can you recognize it? There are several options for a single crosshole according to German PAL standard. This can be done with G19 IP0, IP1, or even IP5, but the easiest way is with IP0. After reclamping, facing, drilling, roughing, external and internal. Finishing outside with the tool right of the contour, G42. Remember to cancel contour compensation, G40, when leaving the contour. Finishing inside with the tool left of the contour, G41. The drilling cycle, G86, offers many parameters for geometric variations, including angled flanks. 2 grooves on the chord surface, G19 IP5, and 2 on the face surface, G17 IP3. And the tool holder is ready.